Hello friends, I am Mary Miss. Welcome back to our topic shapes and angles. Today we are going to solve some more questions. Here some figures are given. We have to tick mark which are closed figure and we have to cross mark which are open figure. Closed figure is having a closed boundary and start and end at the same point. But if it is open figure, its boundary points are not closed. Now, if you see the first figure, it is starting from here and ending here at different point. It is having an open boundary, so it is not a closed figure. Now, take the second figure. It is very clear. We have all the boundaries are closed, so it is a closed figure. Now, if you see the third figure, it is also all the boundaries are closed, so it is also a closed figure. Now, if you take the next one, see it is starting from this and ending here. It is having an open boundary, so it is not a closed figure. Now, if you take here also starting from here and then ending in different point and it is having an open boundary, so it is not a closed figure. Now, next figure also starting from here and then ending different points, therefore it is not a closed figure. Now take the last figure, the shape of a leaf, it is also having a closed boundary, so it is a closed figure. Now next question is, figures of some angles are given here. Without measuring, we have to decide whether it is an acute angle, obtuse angle or right angle. Now if you see the first figure, see angle ABC is drawn here and it is a smaller angle than right angle, or it is a narrower angle than right angle, so it is an acute angle. Now if you take the next figure, see here a right angle is marked and it is very clear from the figure, so it is a right angle. Now if you take the third figure, you can see here is a very small angle, narrow angle, so it is an acute angle. And here down this figure also, it is also having a measure which is less than a right angle, that is narrower than right angle, so it is also acute angle. Now this we have discussed earlier, it is a right angle. Now here if you take the next figure, it is a broader angle than right angle, therefore it is an obtuse angle. Now you see the last figure also, it is also bigger than right angle or broader than right angle, therefore it is also an obtuse angle. Now here also some shapes are drawn. We have to decide how many acute angles, obtuse angles and right angles are there in the figure. Now if you take the first figure, it is the shape of a right angle triangle. See we are having top a smaller angle, that is an acute angle, and this down this side also we have an acute angle here. So there are two acute angles. Now if you take the case of obtuse angle, there is no obtuse angle, so obtuse angle 0. Now here at this corner we can find a right angle, so number of right angle is 1. One right angle is there in the figure. Now if you take the next figure, see here at this point there is an acute angle, so number of acute angles equal to 1. Now here at the top of this corner is an angle which is more than right angle. Down also here we can find an angle more than right angle. So number of obtuse angle equal to 2. Now at this corner top we have a right angle and down also this corner we have a right angle. So number of right angles equal to 2. Now here a figure is given. There are many angles drawn together. From this we have to find any 4 acute angles, any 4 obtuse angles and any 2 right angles. Now if you take acute angles, see here figure, angle C where the pointer is moving, angle A, O, E. It is a smaller angle, so one acute angle. Now second angle we can say angle E, O, F, second angle. Now from there only we can find angle F, O D. Next angle which is less than a right angle, so acute angle. Now we can start from here also angle D O C. So 4 only as so we have written, but many angles are there in the figure. The next is you have to write any for obtuse angle. So take the pointer, see angle A O C, which is more than a right angle, so obtuse angle. Another angle written here B O F, which is also more than right angle, so it is an obtuse angle. Another angle E O G, so angle EOG is also an obtuse angle. Another angle B O E, so angle BOE is also an obtuse angle. Again many angles are there, we have written only 4. Next we have to write 2 right angles. So we can find 2 right angles. One is angle C A O D, one right angle. Another one is angle B O D. So 2 right angles again have, but we are asked 2, so we have written 2. Now let us conclude today. Tomorrow we will meet again and try to understand these sums so that you will be able to do the worksheet which will be given later. Thank you.